Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Today we are going to be drawing Dallas Cowboys quarterback, superstar, Dak Prescott. Real name is actually Rain Dakota Prescott, better known as Dak. Played college at Mississippi State, was a 4th round pick to the Dallas Cowboys in 2016, won the Offensive Rookie of the Year that year, and has since led the Cowboys to division titles, and he has been named to the Pro Bowl. So let's get started. Dak Prescott, Dallas Cowboys. Find the center of your page up and down, find the center of your page across, and go up. So this area is where we're going to draw Dak Prescott's cartoon head. And let's get started. So Dak Prescott has kind of a wider jaw, so we're going to go down to the chin, up, up. So you can see that's a shorter jaw, wider, more square. Do a couple of ears, 1 ear, 2 ears, bump, bump for the side of the head. We're going to come up to the top of the head and connect down. There we go. Let's draw a couple of ovals for eyes. 1, 2. And as you know, on the inside we draw a circle, draw another circle on the inside of the eye, another circle. These stay white, do not color those. Arch, arch, we color in those eyes with our dark marker, leaving those areas white on the inside. Those are the highlights of the eyes. Those are where the reflections of the stadium lights or the sun, and bring our cartoons, our drawings to life. Whenever you draw eyes, don't forget to leave white highlights, okay? So really quick, I'm gonna find my baby blue marker. I'm gonna color in this area light blue. This is like the reflection of the stadium lights on the eyes. Also adds a little bit of fun, a little bit of interest to our drawing, little color. Cool, so now let's do an arch above that eye. An arch above that eye, up, up, bring it down to a point, color it in for some eyebrows, bring this down to a point, color it in for some eyebrows. Let's do the nose. We're going to do an arch, maybe color in the edge there, fill it in with black a little bit, bring it down. Couple of curves around the nostril area. Let's do some lips. All right, we'll go so down, up, into a point. See that? I like to say it's kind of like a bird flying. All right. Over here, we're gonna draw the bottom lip. Dak Prescott's got the mustache going on like everyone else. I kind of scribble the mustache in, down around the lip. And then connects down here, connects down to the chin. He's got a beard going on. He's got a pretty scruffy beard, so we can fill that in. You know, I'm gonna get the wider end, see? Not the pointed tip anymore. I'm going to fill that in a little bit, bring it over and up. All of this gets filled in for his beard area with the black marker. Bring it over and up, fill that in. There we go. All right, let's do the hair a little bit up here. He's got a little hair on top. So basically I'm just coloring the top of his head, kind of filling that in with the black marker. All right, let's continue on. Let's do the neck. Down, down. He's got kind of a wider, more muscular neck as well. Come down to a point. Come down to a point. We're going to do the Dallas Cowboys white jersey today. A bump for the shoulder pad, a bump on that side for the shoulder pad. Let's do a big football, big oversized cartoon football right here. Draw that. Arch out into a point. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles, and 5 for the thumb and the hands holding that football. All right, his jersey comes down. Let's go down to a point. Not a point, but to a waist and up. Okay. His arm's gonna just connect into that football. We'll do another arm over here. Bump, 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 bump to the wrist. His hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the wrist. This will be a white sleeve. Okay. Let's do his towel. He likes to wear this towel on his waist. So this kind of curved rectangle. Let's do his pants. 1 and up to the waist. Boom. Ankle area. Now let's do the big oversized clown shoes, cleats for our cartoons. So here's the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. Big toe goes out, comes straight across, stop, and connect to the ankle. Bring this ankle down, straight across. Bring that toe up and connect to the shoelace. All right, that is our outline for Dak Prescott. Let's get our blue marker for the Dallas Cowboys colors. We're gonna do a stripe. It goes up and connects into the shoulder pad. Goes up, connects into that shoulder pad on that curve. Here's a smaller one. Come down, stop. Come down and stop. Up and in. Up and in. Okay, let's do the number 4. Straight across. Down on an angle. Straight down. Over. Down. Alright, in here we'll do the angle, over, and up to a point. Okay, I'm just going to color this in right now. Well, actually, no. That's supposed to, I made a mistake. We're supposed to color this, the 4 is going to be blue. So, let's try that again. We're going to color the 4 in with our blue marker. Sometimes I make mistakes. A lot of times I make mistakes like that. I'm supposed to leave that white. So we'll see if we can fix that here in a minute with a white Prismacolor pencil. We'll see. So I'm going to color this number 4 in, fill it in with our dark navy blue, or find that Dallas Cowboys blue that works the best for you. Alright, so as you can see, I want a little more white. Let's see what happens if I bring a Prismacolor. This is a Prismacolor, as you can see, Prismacolor pencils. Look in our description. You can buy these Prismacolor on Amazon. The link is in the description. All the markers we use, the links are in the description, so feel free to go there quickly and purchase some great drawing supplies. Alright. Here is Dak Prescott. We're going to color and fast forward. Flesh color, leave the jersey white, blue stripes, brown football, gray pants, white shoes. Thank you for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw Dak Prescott. Subscribe, visit us on Patreon. Look at the links below in the description for all of your drawing supply needs. Fast forward now.